Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the shelves. Today, we're diving into the world of at-home waxing with what I confidently call the best waxing kit on the market, the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. Now, if you're like me and tired of expensive salon visits or the hassle of shaving, this kit is about to be your new best friend. Let's break down what makes it so special. First off, let's talk versatility. Whether you're aiming for that smooth Brazilian look, tidying up your legs, or tackling stubborn facial hair, this kit has you covered. With its specially formulated hard wax beads, it's tough on hair yet gentle on even the most sensitive skin. And can we talk about convenience? Say goodbye to messy waxing sessions because Tress Wellness has made the process as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply melt the wax in the digital display warmer, apply, and peel away for salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. But wait, there's more. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need to get started. From pre-wax and post-wax sprays for a smoother experience to a variety of applicators suitable for different areas of the body, they've truly thought of everything. So, whether you're a seasoned waxing pro or a newbie looking to dip your toes into the world of at-home hair removal, the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit is a game-changer. Plus, with its budget-friendly price tag, it pays for itself after just a few uses. That wraps up our review for today, folks. If you're ready to say goodbye to salon visits and hello to silky smooth skin, be sure to check out the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy waxing!